very proud of that. I didn't take this off because I'm just gonna leave it. Just fold it in. Yeah, these are sticky cabinets. Sticky, sticky. It is sticky.
Don't feel like it's good paper at the top shelf. Feel empty. Oh yeah.
Oh my God.
Ugh, they left.
That's disgusting.
Very disgusting. Oh, it's so old.
Oh
It ain't
my
even
God,
red
it's
no
not
more.
even red.
Oh, it's been up there a million years.
I'm about to see the expiration date.
Yeah. Look like it's on the red.
Best before January 30th, 2018.
Wow. So it's at least 2 years before that.
January 30th, 2018. Okay, I'm gonna test out doing a voiceover. I have a new mic and I'm gonna probably use that if this voiceover sucks, but I'm just testing this out for now. So anyways, I'm just going ahead and finishing taking off the rest of the cabinet doors. I left the hinges on, so I won't have to worry about that. And then I was going to make sure that I got all that grime off all the off the cabinets. Yep, so I'm just gonna take some Dawn dish soap and some warm water, and I filled up the sink, and I'm just gonna make sure I thoroughly scrub each cabinet with this soapy water, and I'm gonna dry it thoroughly. Make sure that it's really, really, really dry very well. That way it's prepped for our next step. I'm just going to sand like crazy. Sanding, making sure that I get all the nooks and crannies on every cabinet door, front, back, side, left, right. And an important step is to make sure that you dry off or like brush off the excess um, dust from sanding. You want a clean surface before you start painting or priming. So if you have leftover dust from sanding, it can make the finish or the dry down not as good. So make sure that you like brush off that extra sand, or you can use a vacuum with the brush part, the brush attachment. That will work too. And now we're ready for primer. So right here, I'm just showing you all that I have everything sanded and ready for our first coat of primer. I've covered all of the hinges really good with tape, and I've covered the appliances. And now I'm just gonna start over here with testing some colors to see what shade I'm gonna go for the cabinets.
Who that?
Hi, Tina.
Hey.
What up? Welcome to my crib.
Hey,
Oh, I can walk in front of the cameras.
I got paint on me. How you doing? Hey, all right. Congrats.
Thank you.
Y'all be careful. It's paint.
Hi. All right. What's up? Nothing much. You back from school? Right. Spring break? Yes. Happy to do that.
Yeah, for a week.
Yeah, like the whole week and then next week Monday.
I know, I need to bring the chair. I brought the chair. There's a couple of one by the door.
So yeah, I'm just going to continue to apply primer to all the cabinet doors. I know that some paint already have primer in the paint. I think including my paint that I chose, the color I chose. However, these are going to be in the kitchen, and the kitchen gets a lot of wear and tears, a lot of water. So I just felt more comfortable to do a double coat of primer before I did my color. So that's what I'm doing here. Hey everybody, give me a quick update on the cabinets. So here we go. Oh, they look so good. Let me zoom out for you all. Oh, they look so good. Homegrown Sage is the color I went with. This is currently, I think maybe 1.5, maybe 2 coats. I say that because I lost track of where I was halfway through this. So maybe this is 2, but some areas might need to go back and get touch-ups. But yeah, here is the result so far. It looks so good. Tomorrow, the plan is to do the doors. And if I could do the front of all the doors twice, the back of the doors once, I don't know, twice I guess for consistency. If we could finish all that tomorrow, that would be so good, but probably not till Wednesday. But next on the agenda is tiles, so that's good. I just need to find a reliable contractor that's licensed and insured. Well, yeah, this is the condo renovation update. I am having such a good time. Doing this renovation is so fun. All my creative juices are just soaring right now. It's hard to even sleep because I just am always thinking about what else can I do? What kind of appliances do I want? What type of cabinet pulls do I want? What type of coffee table, rugs, all the things. So I'm having a lot of fun. So that's the update. I gotta go. I gotta catch a train. See you later.